The horizontal projection is activated by clicking on this button here. When you turn it on, you'll also get a bit projection that you can turn on or off. This is a sensor to bit projection. Before we activate the horizontal projection, we need to take a look at the panel here. The first three fields define the target plane itself. A horizontal projection requires a target plane. The rest of these fields represent the parameters that you can control. Now notice that there are two solve modes here. Essentially, you can only control one primary parameter in this projection, and that would be either the strike inclination or the strike azimuth. That is the inclination or azimuth that you are at when you hit that target plane. Although you can manually create a plane with these three parameters, a practical way of creating a plane is to go into the proposal mode, if you have a plan, and going into a section that has a plane along which you want to land. Now that may often be the lateral, but it may also be in a build section. Once you get to a point on a plan that is tangential to the plane that you want, you can actually go to the curve menu and then select Create Target Plane. This will automatically create a plane which mathematically is infinite in all four directions, even though graphically it's only represented in a limited space. Once this target plane is created, you can go back into the work mode and then right-click on the target plane and select Set as Horizontal Target Plane. What this will do is immediately treat this target plane as the horizontal target and turn on the horizontal projection. Notice here that the projection has been created, and what it does is it lands on the target plane. The target plane is infinite, so it is landing on the plane even though it doesn't look like it here. If I want to graphically represent the plane a little more accurately so that my projection does look like it's hitting the plane, I can right click on that plane, select Adjust Target Plane, and make sides A and B larger. So we can see here that the projection does land on the plane, and it has a strike inclination of 90 degrees. The direction is 136.56 azimuth. However, we can't control both of these parameters at the same time. So if I want to change the azimuth, I would have to select this solve mode, and then I would change the azimuth here. By changing the azimuth, we can immediately see the change here. Note that this is a one-turn solution, so I'm not able to turn towards this plan and then again with the plan, nor am I able to control the needed build rate down here. It is always going to give me the lowest possible needed build rate. If I need to make any changes to the target plane itself, I can change those parameters up here.